Hi, in this video we're going to be introducing our Mastering Microsoft Copilot course. So as you probably know, everybody's trying to get in on the AI bandwagon, and of course Microsoft is doing that as well with their Copilot app, which is integrated into many of their other applications, especially Office, such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, and so on. All right, so this course is 2.5 hours. It covers a variety of topics. We have our introduction section here if you want to see how Copilot compares to ChatGPT, what you could use Copilot for, the various versions. Then we have our Getting Started section, how to access Copilot. So there are several ways to do so, via Edge, other web browsers, Copilot web app, even on your mobile device. And then we go over how to increase your productivity with Microsoft Copilot, how to structure your prompts, how you could do things such as analyze image and screenshots. Then we also talk about the various Copilot plugins. And then if you want to have some fun with Copilot, you could use it to create images. So they have a nice text-to-image creation feature. And then you could also edit them for free using the Microsoft Designer app. And then in this section here, we will be talking about Copilot Professional, which is their pay-for subscription service. So how to sign up, how to use the Copilot notebook, and then also be discussing GPT-4 versus GPT-4 Turbo. And then if you do sign up for Copilot Professional, you will be able to integrate it with various Microsoft Office apps, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So we have several demonstrations on how that works. And then if you want to take it a step further, you could use Copilot for Microsoft 365. So that has pretty much all the options that Professional has, plus some additional options such as being able to use it for Teams. And you have the Copilot 365 chat as well as Copilot Studio. And then we have a couple extra videos here, such as Copilot for Security, and then we'll also be talking about the new Copilot PCs, which you could buy pre-configured with Copilot, and they have additional features that a non-Copilot PC would not have. All right, so if you're looking to become proficient with Copilot, this might be the course for you, so check it out.